And 2 seconds. Yes! Perfect! We earned $2,000 already! Hey there! Today I'll prepare an unusual trend reversal strategy for you. We'll be trading using RSI, Stochastic and MACD accelerators. It's a unique combination, but it works like a charm. And I'll explain the strategy during the trades. And let's get started! Free trades are great, sure. But if you're serious about learning, you need a mentor who will point out every mistake. And if you want to become a successful trader, DM me. I'll send you for a one-on-one trading lesson with my best student. Alright, let's start with the setup. I'm switching to candles with this 15-second time frame. Trade duration 60 seconds. Adjusting the trade amount to 500. Now let's add the indicators. These are 3 accelerators: Stochastic, RSI and MACD. Here they are. We'll only change the RSI, setting its period to 7, and that's it. Adding our currency pairs and we are ready to trade. Yeah, I'm opening a long trade here. Any guesses why? Because both Stochastic and RSI are in the lower zone and MACD is above 0. Everything points to the price being at its lowest and ready to reverse upward. Plus, we've got an upward movement here. Let's watch the chart. Alright, the price is in the flat now. Yeah, just go up. Come on. Yes, go up. 3, 2, a tie. Well, at least we didn't lose. Okay. Let's move on. Let's reopen the trade. This trend. Yeah, I'm opening 2 trades because data from 3 indicators at once is no joke. Now the growth begins. Sweet growth. Yes, come on. Don't stop. Let's slow down. Okay, just 20 seconds left. That red candle is a bit nerve-wracking, you know. And 2 seconds. Yes, awesome. That's 1,000 in the bag. Right after that, the price started dropping, but they still would have won. The downside of accelerators is that they are risky on weekly trading markets. As you can see, all indicators signal a rise, but instead we got only a slight increase, followed by a modest drop. I'm not saying you shouldn't trade in such cases. I just placed a trade myself, but think twice before opening in these situations. My experience was the only thing that saved me here. Let's talk about the most complex indicator in our strategy, MACD. In this combo, here's how you trade with it. If RSI and Stochastic signal an upward movement, check MACD. If it's above 0, open a long trade confidently. If it's below, don't trade. In this setup, MACD shows the potential price direction. If MACD indicates a strong decline, don't trade upward, and if it's above 0, avoid shorting. And now let's make a couple more trades to practice this in action. Alright, open a long trade. This is a great setup. Yes, MACD is below 0, but that's fine because the previous low hasn't been broken. Plus, we see upward movement here. And here on RSI and Stochastic. We are in the lower zone, indicating an imminent upward trend reversal. Yes, we nailed the trend. The price has stopped. Please don't drop. Just don't drop. Yes, it's gone up. And 2 seconds. Yes! Perfect! We earned $2,000 already from just 3 tiny trades. Notice how precise our entries are and how we grab the profit. This strategy is for curious minds, for traders who want to squeeze everything out of the market. And let's find more trades, guys. Let's find. Alright, opening another long trade here. We see RSI close to the 30 zone, MACD above 0 and Stochastic below 20. Plus, we have a local uptrend that will continue now. Perfect. Perfect. Such a clean, undirectional move. At this point, losing is impossible. 5 seconds left. 3. And money's in the bag. Got it. Notice how RSI and Stochastic change their readings. As soon as we hit the upper zone, the trend reverses downward. Open a long trade, perfect setup here. We have upward signals here, here and here, plus an uptrend. This is the best textbook example today. Everything will go smoothly. And let's watch. Okay, buyers are hesitating. Don't you see it's time to buy? The rise begins. Yes. We are back to entry point. This trade is ours. If it weren't on camera, I'd pop some champagne, guys. Okay, just 3 seconds. We nailed it! 3,000 in my pocket. And not a single hint of a loss. That's how this strategy works, guys. Okay, and let me show you today's trades. Here's how we traded today. The key to winning this strategy is to follow MACD. RSI and Stochastic tell you when the trend might reverse. And MACD shows the likelihood of that reversal. It's the perfect combo, like socks and sandals. Let's wrap this up. I'm so glad the market gave us a chance to showcase this strategy in all its glory today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know with a like and subscription. And see you soon, guys. Bye bye.